Ho imparato l'italiano, ma ho dimenticato molto. I come from a field of entomology, so we have worked on insects for a long time. Insects make up 80% of all living species on Earth now. They destroy 1/3 of all human crops annually. And they put 1/3 of humanity at risk of infectious disease by transmitting the vectors. So we knew they were very resistant to infections, but the mechanisms were not known. So we've spent, I must say, up to 50 years now, we spent working on these systems, and we found a certain number of new aspects of recognition of infection, of responding to infection, of producing effector molecules which kill the microorganisms. And very interestingly, with our colleagues in the mammalian field with whom we collaborated, they found to a large extent then similar aspects in the mammalian system, similar aspects even in humans. So the work on insects, which was driven initially by a simple curiosity, has then led to a very strong increase in understanding the human defense mechanisms. Of course, in consultation, collaboration with people from the mammalian field and with medical people, but it gave a very important impetus at a given moment. And this is true, you have to consider that biology is something which is very, I would not say uniform, but which is very ancient. And biology, the mechanisms of defense, which we now start to understand, they have appeared about 1 billion years ago in the first multicellular organisms. And we now know, through the work of many laboratories in the world, we now know that basically those mechanisms of defense have been conserved over the billion of years. And we still use mechanisms which sponges and sea anemones have developed about 1 billion of years ago.